we two actually still here, waiting for the firework. I don't know what time the fireworks start, but actually we are very hungry already. I haven't eaten, from lunchtime. So you eat Maggi mee.
Yes, I like Maggi mee.
Oh, you never tried the laksa Maggi mee? Very nice.
Can you give me one?
Yeah, I give you. Yeah, it's true. So, ini semalam sampai di sini semalam. See, look, I have so busy from just now until now playing with her phone. Oh, firework! When can you start? So let's wait for fireworks.
Huwag tayo mag-picture para makabalik ko. Okay na siya, no? I mean, gadiri. Kung mag-picture diri, pasa na ko. Ay, ay, kami na, okay na. Pag mahulog yung cellphone ko.
Maybe some So actually we feel only the sound that we can hear, and then after that we go wrong side. Actually just now we two already inside, right? Yeah. And then after that we come out here because he say we are waiting here. We are waiting here. I say, huh? Yeah, so actually we're not supposed to come out just now. Then in the end, we feel we already waiting here so long. Ah, so sad.
So sad.
Oh, there is another side.
But last time,
Yeah, last time here, there, in Lion. I'm so sad last time the lion there.
never take anymore long.
See, we two actually chasing after the firework, and the firework is behind the building actually.
But at least we're not alone.
Yeah, but there's so many people here. My goodness me. Oh, so sad. Actually, we can go by the side here.
Oh la, late already.
Actually, it's behind the building.
Yeah. We changed the venue. Why?
Yeah.
Or maybe after that, no one.
I don't know, but last time is from the Momo Lion. We cannot see the firework.
Hey, I can see.
It's really very little. Yeah. Is that the best view? Because it's behind the building. from the place just now. No more already. Not only you and me feel, but everyone here got a lot. So sad. See, got so many people here. Actually, we cannot catch the firework. There got so many people.
进去里面呐，找个进去里面，然后做 MRT 过去。
See also the people here.
Yeah, so many. Finally, we are going home.
Feel
Without catching
Hungry.
any.
hungry. Oh my goodness. This is your fault.
Yeah, last
You
time
wait
it's
from
the-
here.
That's why everyone waiting there because last time the firework is from Merlion. So that's why everyone waiting there with us. And then didn't know. Next year.
This is my first time to watch the fireworks, but it's failed.
Last time we watched it's really there. That's why got so many people.
No.
You know, along the river got so many people. Right? Which one?
There.
See, there's some people say, why you never ask for info first? They're behind us. Okay, and actually we are going home. And no, we have to go and find food.
Can we take video from there?
From where? So let's go home with us and wish you.
Happy birthday, Singapore.
Oh yeah, happy birthday Singapore.
Singapore.
Okay.
Failed.
She's very upset.
Failed.
But actually, I already watched last time, right? That's why got so many people lying down there.
Maybe my husband will laugh at me.
Tell your husband is the venue is changed. So salah posisi. We want to walk.
Right? Let's go home.
Sorry, excuse us, please. Thank you very much.
Okay, finally we going home after we feel to catch a firework. So actually we're going buy food, but all already finished because already very late. So thank you, my friend, for following us from
You're welcome.
just now until today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.